Welcome. We are doing question from GATE exam. So it says a 3-input majority gate is defined by logic. So this is 3 inputs. It is a majority gate. It is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Then we have to find which of the following gate is represented by this function. So instead of this function, this is given. So this is now A, this is now B, this is now C. So C is this C is C only. So if we take this first, m of a comma b comma c whole bar, so this will be equal to ab plus bc plus ca whole bar. So this will be equal to a bar plus b bar, because this will be equal to a bar b bar dot b bar c bar dot c bar a bar. So this will be equal to a bar plus b bar. So I am writing it here. This is equal to a bar plus b bar dot b bar plus c bar dot c bar plus a bar. M of a b c, m of a b c bar, this will be equal to ab plus bc bar plus c bar a, and this is c only. So now we will write this function. So this function will be equal to first a b, then a into c, then b into c. So first I am writing ab. So this will be equal to a bar plus b bar, b bar plus c bar, c bar plus a bar, ab plus bc bar plus c bar a. This is equal to ab. Now I am writing bc. So plus ab plus bc bar plus c bar a into c. Now I am writing ac. So a bar plus b bar, b bar plus c bar, c bar plus a bar into c. Now we just have to multiply them. So if you multiply this, c into c bar will be 0, a bar, so this will give you a bar c. This will give you a bar c. Now we have to multiply this. So c into c bar will give you 0, so this will give you b bar a bar c. Now this will give you a bar b bar c plus a bar b bar c. Both are same, so we can write it once only. Both are same, so we can write it once only, a bar b bar c. So this is solved. A bar b bar c. Now look at this. So this will give you abc plus bc into c bar will be 0, then c bar a into c will be 0. So this will give you simply abc. So I am writing these two terms inside, abc plus a bar b bar c. I will add them up later because we have a big term here. So first let's multiply these two. So let's multiply these two. So this will give you a bar b bar plus b bar, because a bar into b bar will be a bar b bar plus b bar into b bar will be b bar only, plus a bar c bar plus b bar c bar. Now if you take a look at here, this is equal to b bar plus b bar c bar, so this will be equal to b bar only. So this is what we have got. Now we will multiply this term with this term. So this will give you c bar. So ab into c bar plus c bar. So b into c bar plus c bar into a. So we multiply c bar with all these terms. So ab c bar plus b c bar plus c bar into a. Now we will multiply a bar with these terms. So a bar into ab will be 0, then a bar bc bar. So plus a bar bc bar. then a bar into this will be 0. So this is the terms which we have got. Again a bar b bar plus b bar, so that can be written as b bar only. So this term reduces to b bar plus a bar c bar. So we will multiply b bar with all these terms. So b bar into this will be 0, then b bar into this will again be 0. So this will give you b bar a, b bar, c bar. Then b bar again this will be 0. Then we will multiply a bar and c bar with this. So a bar c bar multiplied with this will be 0. Then this will give a bar b c bar. Then again a bar multiplied with this will be 0. Then again this will give a bar b c bar. So a bar b c bar and a bar b c bar, these two terms are same. So we have to write them once only. Then we will add now these terms. So plus a b c plus a bar b bar c. So as you can see, this is equal to a XOR b XOR c, because a XOR b XOR c is equal to a bar b c bar plus a bar plus ab bar c bar plus ABC plus a bar b bar c. So we can see a bar b c bar is appearing here, then a bar b bar a b bar c bar. So a b bar c bar is also appearing, then a b c is also appearing, then a bar b bar c is also appearing. So this is equal to a XOR b XOR c. So this function can be represented by a 3-input XOR gate. This function can be represented by a 3-input XOR gate. So thank you, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.